Hello, this is Connor with Microgreens Part 6. It is day 3 of germination. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the tinfoil and look at that. See all those little plants? I'm going to leave the meow greens in germination for one more day just to make sure that all of the meow greens have sprouted. See how there's the ones like this that have gotten taller? Some of these still haven't done that, and I just want to make sure everything's okay. So I am going to spritz again, like that, and then spray the top of this and just put that back over. Stay tuned for tomorrow with part 7. That'll be the first day of them being out of germination. Every meow greens batch is a little bit different. Sometimes you need to leave them in germination for a little longer, but it's really up to you and what your meow greens need. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.